everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make socks of wisdom owls. These adorable little guys are perfect for adding a touch of magic to your decor or as a gift for someone special. Plus, they're super easy to make. Here are the supplies you'll need. Empty sock rice googly eyes felt beak scissors glue. Step 1. Fill the sock with rice. Start by filling the sock with rice. You can use a measuring cup or a bowl to do this. Make sure there is enough rice to fill the sock up to the top. Step 2. Add googly eyes and a felt beak. Once your sock is filled with rice, it's time to add the finishing touches. Open up a googly eye and stick it onto the end of the beak. You can also add some glitter or sequins to the beak for extra sparkle. Step 3. Cut out the body of the owl using your scissors. Cut out the body of the owl from the felt. Make sure it's a little larger than your sock so that it can stand on its own. Step 4. Glue the body of the owl onto the sock. Now it's time to glue the owl onto the sock. Cut out a piece of felt and glue it onto the bottom of the sock, where the body of the owl should be. Make sure it's level and secure. Step 5. Display your socks of wisdom owls. Your socks of wisdom owls are now complete. You can display them on a shelf, tree, or even in a jar. These little guys are sure to bring a smile to anyone's face. And that's it. You've made your own socks of wisdom owls. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.